right, everybody, it's day 7. I'm super excited to see what we got this time. Let's open her up. Let's see if I can find it in this box. Oh, there it is. Let's see. Oop. Oh, it's so cute. So today we're getting the gift of organization. So it looks like this holds charm packs. That is so cool. Let's see. Yes, so you can keep your charm packs in here and organize them and label them. This would also be perfect for blocks that you're working on if they're around this size. Like I do a lot of 4.5 inch half square triangles. This would be absolutely perfect for keeping those organized. Oh, this is so cool. So we have these zipper pouches that we can keep our charm packs in, and then this is a fabric storage board. So you can attach blocks that you're working on or fabrics that you want to look at. This would probably also be great for tracing things or even storing those alphabet blocks that we got yesterday. So this is great. I absolutely love it. So that's another fun gift from the Jenny Box and Missouri Star Quilt Company. Happy holidays.